Titanic movie. Conjunctions or connectors. Part 1 of 10. Titanic movie. Choose the correct answer, Part 1 of 10. Jack boarded the ship, blank. He was very excited. And, but, or. Rose was rich, blank. She was not happy. And, but, for. Passengers could blank go to the lifeboats blank stay on the ship. And, or, but. The ship began to sink, blank. It had hit an iceberg. And, for, or. Jack had no money, blank. Did he have a fancy suit? And, nor, but. Pause the video. Find your answers. Play the video to cross-check. Titanic movie answer key, Part 1 of 10. Jack boarded the ship, and he was very excited. Reason, and joins two similar ideas or actions. Rose was rich, but she was not happy. Reason, but joins two contrasting or opposite ideas. Passengers could either go to the lifeboats or stay on the ship. Reason, or gives a choice between two options. The ship began to sink, for it had hit an iceberg. Reason, for means because and gives a reason. Jack had no money, nor did he have a fancy suit. Reason, nor joins two negative ideas, usually after another negative statement.